Hello everybody, welcome back to the Nature Talks Podcast. Today we are here with our special guests, two interns of the month. There's Aysha and Pragya.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
So today we're gonna just talk about some general stuff, and then we're gonna have the whisper challenge at the end. How's your internship going so far? It's been about 2 weeks or so.
It's been almost 3 weeks,
3 weeks,
and it's going very good. It doesn't seem like something that is very rigid or something. The work hours, everything, the environment is very easy, very friendly, warm.
Okay. And what was your favorite part so far?
The visit to Tughlakabad Biodiversity Park.
Okay. What about your favorite part?
Mine was like all the day-to-day activities are good, but I would say, organizing the treasure hunt was something very fun. And
We went to Lodi Garden also. And then, one second. So what are the different projects which you've been working on at NDNS? You want to tell everybody?
we are organizing a few more activities. We have this Fireflies one that will be ending this month. We have 2 more weeks for the Fireflies thing, and then we have a farm visit, we have tree climbing, we have nature senscape, that is a nature walk, a different name for nature walk. And other than that, we have some new games that we are going to introduce. We are still working on them. There's this one bird card game, the other one is a board game, and a few more interesting stuff that will be on the shop page.
And what have you been working on?
I've been working on the videos or the important dates, event like that Lion Day or Tiger Day. Also, there's coming Elephant Day. We are working for the content for these. I'll be working on a blog for new forest bill.
And what about your favorite part of nature?
Everything. It's very you feel alive, you feel refreshed. The moment you step out of your house and you are into greenery, you feel fresh. There's a warmth of freshness.
So the freshness is your favorite part of nature?
Freshness, greenery, everything.
What about you?
The greenery, I guess. The view we get, we just get a moment when we just forget everything and just
It's just you forget all your worries, and you're in that moment. You enjoy everything.
Spending time in nature.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, have you learned anything at NDNS?
I have learned a lot of things. I was very bad at Canva and everything. I'm very bad at using all these stuffs, and I'm not very techie. I've learned all these over here.
Okay. What about you?
I would learn a lot.
What did you learn?
Canva for the first, then editing.
Yeah, I can
color
correct pictures now.
I can edit videos for podcast.
That's good. Yeah, and how am I to work with?
It's very easy going. Yeah.
Am I strict or something?
Not at all.
I thought you must be scary sometimes, but you're not.
Not yet.
We got to see that phase yet.
You'll be lucky if you don't see it.
Very good.
So, you guys have been doing some good work. We've been seeing all the videos on Instagram, on YouTube. So
we shoot our very own videos for our products. We shot a video yesterday for the seeds that were donated to us.
Even for the label pins.
The label pins.
Yeah, you guys have done some good work with those Instagram videos, with the reels, with the posts, even with the newsletter. What other stuff did we do recently? With the planning with the events.
Yeah, we are planning a few more events. We probably planned a camp sort of a thing.
The camping program will happen when we have better weather, but we have to do all the planning right now.
Yeah.
plus the nature
We might
festival.
have a nature festival in
But even that
September,
needs some
like
good weather.
October, yeah.
It'll be all day event and people will get toasted in the sun. So in Twitter these days we see that what I've been seeing is all these rivers overflowing, there's landslides everywhere. People's houses are also
There are predictions of
going away with
storms in the lower parts of Uttarakhand.
yeah,
coming
and
days.
things are just getting worse. It's not getting any better. So, what do you think is causing all this?
Climate change.
Yeah, but how is the climate changing?
I guess
Like the extreme of everything. Like you all of a sudden you get heat waves, then there are very heavy rains, then there are again heat waves, and then there are flooding and everything.
So, what is causing all this?
I guess we are prioritizing development over environment. Like we have concrete roads over everywhere. We have no spaces for water to seep out into the ground, and so that it is getting collected over everywhere, and that is causing floods.
Yeah, even deforestation, cutting down the trees is like
Making concrete forests.
yeah, all these things which are destructive to nature. Nature is fighting back with these superstorms and destroying all the man-made objects. How do you think we can save the world?
I guess first of all we have to be the change.
You have to understand that we are the one who have to take step forward. It's not that the organization or the government will just change everything in a day. It's us who has to take steps forward. Start off with very minimal things, like we'll start off planting trees in our houses, avoiding single-use plastics, not wasting electricity, not wasting water. There are a lot many things that we got to do in our daily lives that will make a change.
So this will be on a personal level.
We got to start off with our personal levels. We got to
then-
understand that it's our home. We are the responsible ones. We got to take responsibility. We are the one who have spoiled it, and we are the only one who can save it.
And so if we want others to listen to us, so we have to be the change.
Implement that. Yeah.
So that you can be a living example for those people. You show them that you can do it, so they can do it. Yeah, I think that's a good way. Once you start from yourself, then you move to the next circle, like people at home. Then the
you
next
come,
circle
then
is your
you
neighbors.
go out to your community. You go out to you reach out bigger circles, but you got to start off with yourself first.
Yeah. So every small step makes a difference. Some people think that if I switch off the light, am I making a difference? It's hotels keep their lights on all the time. But yeah, if you start doing small steps, then maybe if you own a hotel, you'll have those automatic lights which switch on only when people are there. So there are ways to do things. It's just about how conscious you are and how experienced also you are, or how much knowledge you have. So yeah, we have to.
Yeah, we got to talk. We also got to talk about it. Like we got to normalize talking about, okay, this is climate change, and we got to take steps forward in our family or in our friends gathering, because this is something like though no one usually put a light on.
Yeah.
So we got to normalize talking.
Maybe people talk
giving
about movies and other stuff,
Yeah.
sports. So they should also talk about
environment and all the
solutions.
issues that we are facing.
Problems and solutions. Yeah. So next time you hang out with your friends, are you going to talk about the trees?
I do. I do. Last
It's
time
just
I
the
was
ones
talking about
who
it.
work for environment are the ones who talk about it. Otherwise, the rest of the people don't usually care about it.
So you have to influence them then.
Yeah, we got to influence them as well.
Then last night I was talking about this with my brother.
What was he saying?
He was very worried, like when I was telling him about that deer park thing or these floods. We were discussing, we discuss everything, and he was also saying that things change as from place to place. Like he's in Mumbai, so he says that people are aware. Like when they are getting out of their metro station, they just go to the dustbin first and put that.
like
just stick it. And
like-
when what I see here is like people just throw
Yeah,
these.
everyone's
They
littering
don't
everywhere.
bother to go to the dustbin even.
Yeah, like when you're visiting countries outside India, you know that you will be fine if you litter out anywhere. But when you're back home, you don't care about it. You just litter whatever it is anywhere.
Yeah, so that's...
I guess we should have some strict rules with these things as well.
Yeah, rules are important. Plus, this sense of ownership also. Like, how you're saying that when you feel like it's your city, then you don't want it to get destroyed. But that sense is not there in some places, like in Delhi. That's why people are still littering outside everywhere they go. Okay, so just now, recently, today, you had a laughing fit. You want to talk about that?
My cheeks are still hurting.
Maybe there are people...
I don't want to have that laughing fit again. I can laugh for a very long time. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to say anything. Just nothing. And I'll start laughing.
That's contagious, so other people also start laughing. But what about our listeners? Maybe they are also sitting and having laughter fits at home. So what can we tell them? Like,
you laugh, if you are having a laughing fit, laugh.
Yeah, just...
So you will inspire many more to laugh. My cheeks are still hurting.
We had a good laughter session over here. People have laughter therapy in the morning. They go for...
She don't need that.
Yeah. So, okay, now we can start the Whisper Challenge. We're going to do a Whisper Challenge today, but between two of you. I've just made the chits, so you both have to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till you lose one. Okay, I think I lost one. Yeah, these are your chits. So who's going to go first?
Okay, I'll go first.
Ready? I think this is the left side. Turn it around. The wire will be on the left side.
Left side, okay. I'm a lefty, so I get confused between people.
Okay. Your music starts now. You can pick a chit.
Hungry intern. Hungry intern. Hungry.
Either.
2 words.
2 words.
First word is hungry. Hungry.
Hide.
Hungry.
Light.
Do it slowly.
Hungry.
Eyed.
Hungry.
Lighter.
What's that?
Bowl.
Okay.
Rice.
What I'm feeling?
Food.
Hungry.
Healthy.
Hungry.
And
Almost got it.
Hungry.
Italy.
This is the second word.
Intern. Like what are we?
Intern.
Yeah.
And first word is hungry.
Hungry.
Yeah. Hungry and done. Okay. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Beautiful pig.
2 words.
Beautiful.
Puff.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Book.
Beautiful. Second one.
2 words.
Pig.
Pet.
Pig. Which pet? Pig. No, people don't pet pigs. Pig.
Bill.
Pig.
Bill.
Pig. The one that says oink oink.
Pill.
Oink.
Bold.
Pig.
Pen.
Try the first one again.
Beautiful.
Little slowly.
Beautiful.
Say.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
News.
Beautiful.
Don't get it.
Beautiful.
Say it again.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Don't get it.
Like something very good. Okay. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Pig.
Beautiful bill.
Pig.
Pill.
Pig.
Pin.
Pig.
Beautiful
Pig.
bill.
Pig. Big. Big.
Pill. Pile.
Pig.
What was that?
It was nothing.
Okay, you want to give up?
Okay.
Okay, the song is over.
Beautiful
Pig.
pig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Chinese whisper. Chinese.
Child.
Chinese.
Slowly.
Chinese.
Chinese. Whisper.
Okay. That was easy. Next.
Lion.
Lion.
Day.
Day. Lion day.
Okay, now you guys are getting used to it. One more?
Yeah, sure.
Garam chai. It's too much. Garam.
Rum.
Garam.
Drum.
Garam.
Other word.
Chai.
Chai. Garam chai.
Now you guys are getting used to it. Last one you can do.
Spotted. Spotted. Spotted.
Two words.
Spotted owlet. Spotted
Outdated.
owlet.
Outing.
Owlet. Don't laugh. मेरे को हंसने लगी. You say spotted. Spotted
Spotted.
owlet.
Owlet.
Owlet. Spotted
Spotted.
owlet.
Spotted.
Owlet.
Owlet.
Yeah. Okay. So who's the winner?
I guess we tied. No, so she wouldn't.
You give
I
up
get
on
what's
the
big.
win.
Yeah. I was digging.
That was good. You guys are getting too good at this game. We'll have to think of another game now. So anyway, that was our show for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the Nature Talks podcast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're already going out to around 15 different countries. And send it to everybody, So thank you all for watching. And any last messages?
Go check out our shop page, event page, and get whatever you feel like from the shop page. Book events and have fun.
Yeah, buy all the stuff from the shop and support us so that we can use that money for environment conservation. Okay, thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.